everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Angeline and I am the owner of Angelic Creations. So we are going to continue with our Christmas series, and if you haven't already checked out our previous video, make sure you do so. We have a total of 4 videos already posted. So let's get started with the materials that you're going to need in order to achieve this look. So I'm going to bring you guys down so that you can see what all I have. So we're first going to start off with the plate that I am using. I purchased this plate from Dollar Tree and it was in a 6-pack. It's one of their nice, decent, I would say, material, like the plastic ones. I also have this tape that I purchased from Dollar Tree. It's double-sided. It's like the 3D tape. You will also need some chalk paint. I purchased this from Joann's, and as you can see, I have already placed my chalk on my plate. I did coat it twice, so I let it completely dry the first time, and then I put a second coat on top of that. And you will need whatever you want to embellish your sign. So we are going to make a countdown sign. I purchased these bowls. It came in a 6-pack. I purchased these from Joann's about a few days ago, and they was on sale for about $1.30. You will also need some ornaments if you want to do exactly as I am doing. I purchased these in a pack from Dollar Tree. And lastly, you will also need, if you would like to place words on your sign, I am using my Cricut machine, and I have already cut out my vinyl, and this is matte. This is a matte finish. I have already read everything out, and it says Christmas, days into Christmas. So first thing I want to do is, I'm actually going to put my words on first. So again, I cut this out with my Cricut machine. If you do not have a Cricut machine, you can also just purchase letters from Joann's, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, or whatever craft store is available to you. So I placed mine on a curve like the plate was, and I did this also inside of my design space that comes along with my Cricut machine. And as we go down the line, I will be doing more Cricut videos so that you all can get acquainted with the machine if you would like to purchase. So I'm going to use my Cricut scraper that came with my machine just to make sure that my vinyl is sticking to the plate like I would like it to before I take off the carrier sheet. Okay, and you just want to move it off slowly. Okay, it looks good. So this is how we're looking so far, days into Christmas. And I place my words on first because I'm going to use this part as my centerpiece. Next, I am going to place my bow on the top. And yes, we already know what a center is because we already placed our words down first. So I'm just going to use the wording, and then I'm going to bring my bow up so that I can make sure that it's centered properly. And it'll be about right there. That's fine. So before I place my bow down permanently, I also have some little bling adhesive. I use this bling adhesive in another one of my videos when I first started my YouTube channel. When I did my key fobs, this is the bling that I have, and I purchased this from Dollar Tree. So it's already sticky, so you're great, you're good to go. And I'm just going to place it in the center of my bow, and I'm going to cover this up. And I have already placed my 3D sticker on the back of the bow, and it's ready to go to stick to the plate. So the next step will be to take off the backing for a bow. And now we're going to press firmly down on our plate. And you can adjust your bow as you go. Just look about right to me. So I'm going to hold it for a few seconds. Okay, and this is how we're looking so far. So far, so good. And I'm going to use another piece of my 3D tape that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to place it on the back of my ornament. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to place this up under my bow. And it's going to sit right underneath it. Okay. Again, this is how we're looking so far. It's cute. I love the color combinations. Definitely Christmas colors. Gold, red, green. Looking good. And lastly, we want to get our chalk. I purchased a pack of these chalks from Dollar Tree, and I have already been using it, as you can see. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the number in the center. So we have 13 more days until Christmas. So I'm going to write 13. I don't have the best penmanship, but that looked good to me. And it's work just like a regular chalkboard. So you're good to go. Tomorrow I can place 12 and then 11, 10, so on and so forth. And if you would like, you can place some type of ribbon or some type of string. If you're going to place this on your wall or refrigerator or wherever you're going to place it. I'm thinking place it on the refrigerator. It's small, it's lightweight. So I'm just going to cut a string, piece of string for me. And I just didn't feel like warming up my heat press. I mean my heat gun, sorry. So I'm just going to continue to use the sticky adhesive that I purchased from Dollar Tree. I'm just going to make sure that it's long enough to fit over the whole piece, and it is. Measure the same piece because I want to place 2. And I am going to place mine on the refrigerator. But you can place yours on the wall, wherever you want to place yours. And if you want some magnets, you can use magnets as well. But this is how it looks. Looks good. And I did see that it was like tilting a bit, so you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to place some more on the back so that it doesn't move. Right about here. Make sure that it's even with the bow. Perfect. So that it is covering and you cannot see it. Okay. So once I place it on the refrigerator, I am either going to peel the backing off of these, or I'm going to use magnets or whatever. I don't know what I'm going to use just yet, but this is how it looks. And as you can see, it's not tilting like it was the first time. So it looks good. Quick, easy project, kid friendly. And if you do not want to place yours, I have another option. If you do not want to place yours on the refrigerator or on the wall, you also have the option of just sitting it up on like one of your tables or something like that. And I just purchased this picture frame stand from Dollar Tree as well. So as you can see, a lot of things can be purchased from Dollar Tree, and everything was purchased here from Dollar Tree except for my vinyl. I purchased my vinyl from Joann's, but guess what? Dollar Tree also sells vinyl. So that is it for our video. And again, really quick, easy, kid friendly. And if you guys decide to recreate it, make sure you tag me. My business name is Angelic Creations LLC on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. So I hope that you all enjoyed this really quick and easy Christmas DIY. I do have more coming for you guys, so just make sure that you guys are subscribed and hit the notification bell so you receive all of my videos once I post them. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye.